Welcome back. Last lesson you learned to tell defects from defectives. Today, that distinction earns its keep. DPU, DPMO, and sigma level are how Six Sigma keeps score. They turn raw defect counts into numbers you can compare across any process, any product, any factory. These are guaranteed exam calculations, and they're fast once you see the pattern. We'll work one by hand, then I'll run the same numbers in the LeanProjax platform. Let's count. 3 definitions, 1 chain. A defect is a single failure to meet a requirement. A unit can carry several. DPU, defects per unit, is total defects divided by total units. Then the exam's favorite refinement, opportunities. Every unit offers several chances to fail. Say label, seal, weight, and barcode, 4 opportunities. DPO is defects divided by units times opportunities. Scale that to 1,000,000 and you have DPMO. Defects per million opportunities. The number that lets a 4-opportunity carton compare fairly with a 200-opportunity circuit board. Worked example. An audit finds 30 defects across 500 cartons, and each carton has 4 opportunities. DPU, 30 over 500, 0.06 defects per unit. DPO, 30 over 500 times 4, 30 over 2,000, 0.015. DPMO, multiply by 1,000,000, 15,000. 1 number chain, 3 exam answers, 30 seconds. Now the sigma level. Take your DPMO to the standard table. 66,807 is 3 sigma, 22,750 is 3.5, 6,210 is 4. 15,000 sits between the last two, about 3.66, call it 3.7 short term. One convention to memorize. The table already includes the 1.5 sigma shift, so it reports the short-term, best-case level. Subtract 1.5 for the long-term view. That single subtraction is a full exam question. Let's verify. I'll use the LeanProjax platform. On the calculators page, I pick the DPMO mode and type the audit straight in. 30 defects, 500 units, 4 opportunities per unit. Everything computes at once. DPMO 15,000, matching our hand math, yield 98.5%, DPU 0.06, and the sigma tile reads 3.66 short term, straight from the standard table. The gauge below places the process on the 0 to 6 ladder, the raw long-term needle with the short-term value alongside. Our whole worked example, checked in 5 seconds. One discipline separates real green belts from dashboard decorators. Honest opportunity counts. Inflate opportunities and DPMO falls without a single defect disappearing. The process looks better on paper and nothing improved. So count only opportunities a customer would call a failure, define them once, and never change the definition mid-project. And when the exam gives you extra numbers you don't need, it will anchor on the chain. Defects, units, opportunities, and nothing else. Exam drill, 2 questions. Question 1, 300 invoices, 2 error opportunities each, 12 errors found. What's the DPMO? Pause here if you need a moment. 12 over 600 is 0.02 just times 1,000,000, 20,000 DPMO. Question 2. Process A runs at 6,210 DPMO, Process B at 66,807. What are their short-term sigma levels? Take a few seconds. Straight off the ladder, A is 4 sigma, B is 3. Memorize those anchor rows. You can now score any process the way the industry does. Add the DPMO chain and the ladder anchors to your formula sheet. Next lesson, the big one. Process capability, CP and CPK, the metrics that dominate measure questions on both exams. With a 50,000 measurement demo, subscribe and I'll see you there.